kana asina kuzviona, because we have got both anyway. Asina kuzviona neakazviona vese hatina. But the truth is, the word of God, when it talks about Adam, Adam is ready. The word of God, when it talks about Abraham, Abraham is ready. The word of God, when it talks about Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, those guys lived. The word of God, when it talks about Joseph and Mary, those guys lived. The word of God, when it talks about Jesus, some people have got in Israel, they have been walked where Jesus walked. They have been shown even the mountain of Calvary where Jesus was crucified. They have shown where this temple yakafaruka keteni payakanga yakavakira iurwiwa nhasi nzvimbo iyoyo nemaarabu nemajuda. Maarabu vakauya vakazovakawo mosque yavo opposite there where this temple was, but the ruins of this temple yakaputswa neBabylon are still there, and you still think ibhuku rakanyorwa nemascientists, ibhuku rakanyorwa nevanhu vanokufundusira. Let me tell you, Mwari achasimuka pachikaro chenyasha agogara pachikaro chekutonga.